Hello, in this quick video, I will convert text to speech using this library gtts, and I'm going to do it in Colab. And this library is pretty popular. It has 1600 stars in GitHub, so you can really depend on it. And the first step is installing it with pip install gtts, and I have already installed it. And now my next only couple of more lines that I need is first just import gtts, and then also import this audio module, and then what I'm going to do, tts let's say hello. Then tts.save. I'm just going to save it saying sample.wav file. And I need to use audio to play that sound file. Autoplay, I need to set equal to true. Then just to run this.
Hello, this is a beautiful morning today.
Pretty nice. Let's change it to something else.
How are you going today?
Awesome. Let's try another.
This looks like a great library for converting text to speech.
Beautiful.